Nice. He's gonna take it. Yes, brother. Take one. I'll service these. Yes, bro.
Thank you, bro.
I service this if you need.
Yeah.
I do loads of repairs. I got like my socials, Instagram and everything there if ever you need. Hey, can I give you one of these?
Oh, sure.
I'm a bicycle mechanic. Yes, yes, brother. I repair these bikes if ever you need. Hey, bro, sorry, let me give you one.
I already have this one.
You sure? I don't think so. I've not seen you before.